Hello everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you, how to replace the RAM in a computer. I'm using my old Dell computer. It's broken. I scrapped some of the hard drives and I scrapped the optical drive. The CPU I take because that was why it broke, and also the motherboard. And so is the RAM broken, but I'm going to show you how you replace it in any computer. First off, you want to pull these tabs, pop right out, but before you do that, when you're buying RAM, consult your motherboard and see what pin number is the RAM, so you don't buy RAM that doesn't fit, because that's a bummer. I had it once, and basically what you want to do is pull these tabs. They're going to pop up. It's probably the easiest thing you can do on a computer to modify its speed. And just take them out like that. Nothing special. Just you gotta pull them out. Pretty normal. And same with installing it. You gotta take it and just make sure the label side is facing. I don't know. Just make sure that you line this gap up with, it's going to be a small little, let me just move it for a second. It's going to be a small little niche, right? There. That. You're going to meet that up with this little hole in it. Like that. Okay. Sorry, I'm focused on the camera right now. You stick it in. Not very hard at all. Sort of a shit. Sorry. Sort of like a kind of easy thing to do. Then you just push down and click it into place. Not very hard, but this thing's stupid. Come on. Come on. I'll try this slot then. If I can get you in. Oh. Why isn't matching the spots up right? See, that's what happens. They don't match the spots up right. There, it's pretty simple. You just fill all the spots in with the RAM, and you click it back in. Some motherboards, just click one side, it pops in. I know in the future I'm going to do other videos about computers, and farther down the line I'm going to do a computer build and show you all how you build a computer. It's not even that hard, really. I mean, once you watch 3 or 4 videos, it's basically just look at the manual, see the holes you plug it into, the power supply, how much wattage everything takes up, so you get a normal power supply to power it up without crashing it. Make sure the pin set's the right size. Get a graphics card. If you're into gaming, you need a pretty decent graphics card. I have a crap one. It's a 1 GB graphics card, but I got that one like a week ago for like 20 bucks. So I took it because it's substituting me right now, because I'm also saving up to get an 8 GB. It's alright. 40 GB. No, stop it, Billy. 4 GB graphics card. It's gonna be 4 GB. I don't know why I kept saying other numbers. I said 8 because it was $80, and then for some reason I said 40. But yeah, it's 4 GB. It's coming soon. I'll be saving it for the build I do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not even really that hard, like I said. Yeah.